Hey good people, how you doing? I hope all good. So today I'm going to show you how you can add this subtitle, this little sweet subtitle that you're watching right now at the bottom of this video, how you can add them on your own gaming video. Let me show that. Okay, so first click on effects and go to your toolbox and go to titles, then drag the text plus layer over your timeline, and then let's find where you have talked. And here, hey good people how. Okay, here is hey good people. Hey good people how. Okay, here our good people ends. So I'm gonna drag this and match with our talking, and grab the end to this point. Let's zoom it. Let's see. Okay, you can track it simply by watching your audio from on your timeline. Hey good people. Okay, now let's customize our text. Let's type here what you have said here. So hey good people, I've said here hey good people, and then I'm gonna change the text fonts. I'm gonna change this like here, funny party. Then go to your settings tab. Okay, after coming to this page, we can position our text. So hold that y-axis and pull it downwards like this. Okay, I think this is the perfect position. We're not gonna change here anything. Now let's get back to your title menu again and go back to shading. So I'm not liking this color very much, so to change that, go to your color tab again, and okay, I think this color looks fine here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some outline outside this text. Okay, want to do that, go back to your select element and go to 2 and click on enable, and then you can increase the thickness here. You can see a red outline is being drawn, so you can change this outline color by simply click here on color, and you can see whatever you may wanna put it. So I'm gonna go with this greenish type outline. It looks fine, you know. So okay, so I think this is good here. This looks fine here. You can also change this position of your subtitle simply here after coming in this settings menu. But I think I'm gonna put it here because as nothing serious is going over the background. So let's see. Hey good people. Okay, now let's add the pop-in effect on our text. So you know how to do that. Go back to title, click on layout, and go very beginning of your text layer, and then set a keyframe on your size. On your size menu, set a keyframe on size like this, and let's decrease the size a little bit like this. Yeah, too little like this. Okay, then go 2 frames forward, 1 2, then add another keyframe, then drag it full. Now let's go another 2 frames forward, and let's put another keyframe, and let's keep it little like this. Okay, this will give us that pop-in effect. Let me show you. Hey good people, how you do? Okay, see. Okay, so our text is done here. You can also save this text for later use on your master bin like this. Grab it and put it. So I think our text is pretty much done here. Hey good people, hey good people, you can see that simple pop-in effect. Okay, now all we need to do is, now we're gonna copy this layer, text layer, and put it over where we have talked. Okay, so let's do this. Hold Alt on your keyboard and let's drag it like this. I hope all good. So today I'm gonna okay. Hey good people, how you doing? I hope all good. Okay, this is not look so good, so we're gonna do is we're gonna change the text, otherwise it will make no sense. So let's do that. Let's change our text. Hey good people, how you doing? I hope Okay, so first let's adjust our text layer with our talking. Let's grab this. I'm gonna unselect our snapping tool because it's bothering us, so I'm gonna do like this.
People, how you doing?
Okay, here's a layer.
People, how you doing?
Here we can hear that how you doing. Okay, so we're gonna change that. How you doing? How you doing? Okay.
Hey, good people, how you doing?
Hey, good people, how you doing? Now let's
Doing? I hope.
Okay, I think we're gonna delete this layer here. This layer makes no sense here, so I'm gonna delete this like this, and how you doing comes till here. So we're gonna grab this till this end line. Okay, now let's.
Hey, good people, how you doing? I hope all good.
So
all good. I hope all good.
So here starts hope all. I hope all good. So click there. So we're done organizing our subtitle with our clip. So let's play it from the very beginning to till the end. Let's see how we've done it.
Hey good people, how you doing? I hope all good. So today I'm gonna show you how you can add this subtitle, this little sweet subtitle that you're watching right now at the bottom of this video.
So guys, this is it. I hope you found this video helpful for you, and if you wanna watch more content like this, I mean more Davinci Resolve and any other editing content like this, not like this, maybe my content quality will improve, and definitely improve. So you can subscribe to the channel. And so see you in the next video. Till then, bye.